do plants have microtubules? You sure? I don't know. Keep doing this. This is a game. Y'all could just study like this. Why don't y'all study?
I'm that I did tell you another horizon. Listen.
I go in there, I don't see any change in any type of activity. You should make a commercial. Come make a commercial. I'm recording right here.
Hey guys, nice to meet you. You know what I'm saying? I'm Deshaun, majoring in health science. I'm in biology with Dr. Ruffin. He needs to bring back Meta Horizon because you know what I'm saying, it helps everybody study. It's actually a good website to go to. It's actually a good app to download on your iPad. See, I got it on my iPad if you can see it right here. Hold on 1 second. It's right here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, don't look at the, you know what I'm saying, the emoji or whatever that's on there. But yes, it helps everybody study, helps me get through the test, you know what I'm saying? It's a great website, huh? He said commercials, so this how they doing commercials. Why are you gonna turn back and ruin my commercial? I can't though. She ruined it. She messed it up. She messed it up for everybody.
I guess so.